Hey everyone! Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make DIY planters inspired by some of Nimona's iconic forms from the movie on Netflix.
I'm not sure I'm comfortable
Don't
with this
overthink
dance. Can you just be you, please?
I don't follow.
I'm reusing empty plastic containers for this cause it's good for the earth, and that's metal! Nimona is a shapeshifter, so I took a look at my plastic containers to see if their shapes reminded me of anything. This used to be a bubble bath jug, but it kinda reminds me of a rhino shape.
Meta.
Let's cut here and here to turn it into a rhino. That will be the rhino's horn. Then cut here to turn your rhino into a planter. Save the plastic scraps cause we're gonna use those. Let's make the rhino's tail, ears, and horn from those leftover pieces. For the eyes, we'll use white brads and draw the pupils with a marker. There you go, just like that. Let's put all the pieces together. Kids, make sure an adult helps you with any sharp or hot stuff. And add that right there. So cute! Okay, now don't forget to add your plant. And then, obviously water it and make sure it gets enough sun so it stays happy. Take a look at your plastic containers and see if the shape reminds you of an animal. Here are some of the other shapes I thought of. The possibilities are endless. Thanks for crafting with Nimona. See ya!